Hey YouTube. Hey, my name is Marline and this is Marley Grace Creations, and today I'm in an event, excuse me, fall leaves and autumn breeze. Yes, all fall leaves and autumn breeze. And I'm with a group called Take 5, an awesome group. So today we're going to do a small, short, but beautiful craft for your bathroom. And you can see how cheap it is and how fast it is, and it doesn't take much to do it. We're going to use this beautiful fall napkin and this DollarTree soap dispenser. It's kind of plain, but we need something just to dress it up. I'm going to take this off because I don't need it in my way. We are going to dress it up for fall. The first thing you need to do is take the plies off your napkin. So you can use Mod Podge, anything just to wet your fingers a little bit, and just pull this ply off. So I am going to put you down. You don't need to see me anymore. I'm going to put you down so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to take this. I'm going to get some Mod Podge. This is just a small bottle that I picked up at the DollarTree. You can get a Mod Podge nearly anywhere. I'm going to put a little in here. I think this is gloss. It doesn't matter if it's gloss or matte. So what I'm going to do is put some, I'm going to stop right here at the top. This is the lid where the top's going to go. I'm going to do one section at a time, and then I'm just going to wrap it around. So let me move this out of my way. And I am going to get this lined up even. I want that just about in the middle of the back because it's going to overlap. I want that even with the top. And I want to smooth that down as good as I can. Let's see. I'm just going to take my hand and press this down. Sometimes I use a piece of saran wrap, and that works great because that gets all the bubbles out. It mashes it all down flat. There is a little indentation in there. I'm going to mesh it so that indentation will be there because I kind of like the way that looks. Okay, I'm going to turn this over so you can see I'm going this way. So I'm going to flip that way. Whatever way's comfortable, it's okay. And I'm going to stop at the bottom right here at this edge. And then I'm going to make sure I stop right at the edge at the top. And just get it smooth on there. It doesn't take a whole lot. And this part is just plain Mod Podge. When we go back and put the last coat on, it's going to actually be, let's pull this pretty tight. It's going to be dishwasher safe. And that way, if you decide you want to wash this off later, you certainly can. Okay, let's press that down all the way to the edges. And see, it's leaving that nice little indentation in there. Can you tell? Right there. Okay, and I measured this napkin before just to make sure it will go all the way around, and it does. So just get that on. And we're going to keep going. And this is going to go a little bit over the top over there. That's okay. We can sand that piece off. And once again, I'm going to press it down with some saran wrap. You're going to be amazed at how fast this is. And when fall gets here, which for me it's here now, I'll have something pretty to go in my kitchen or my bathroom. And you can put it away at the end of the year, and what you have is a little more than, what, $1.50 for this project. So I'm going to put that down, and then I'm just going to wrap that over. I like the way it ends, so I'm just going to get a little Mod Podge right there, and I'm going to wrap that over. Smooth it out as best I can. Press it down. Now, if you didn't want that little seam right there, and I'll put it in the back, it won't matter. And we're going to cut the excess off, and I'll show you what we're going to do with that in just a second. I could cut it a little closer, but it's okay. I'm not going to use that for anything. So let's get this dry. No, it doesn't have to be all the way dry. I want it dry, especially on the edges before I start sanding that off. And it doesn't matter if it's not down all the way, because when we put this next coat on, the dishwasher safe, it's going to take care of all that. You'll see. Okay, I have my gator sander. And you see it's pretty close on some is not. So I'm just going to go this way on the top. And I want to pull that towards me. And it'll be right on the edge. I want it a little frayed, and that way it's going to blend with the top of that real good. See how nice and smooth that is? Now we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Love doing this part. And again, I got this soap dispenser at the DollarTree. And when you see this, you're probably going to want to buy some for Christmas gifts. So you can do these. You can do these for fall festivals, if you have a booth somewhere, if you need Christmas presents. So that's already there. Now I'm going to get some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And see, it says dishwasher safe. It is backwards. I know it is, but it's okay. And I'm just going to pour a little bit on there. It's not going to take much. Let's see, let me squeeze some out. And get most of that off my brush. I'm just going to continue using the same brush. This softens your napkin a little bit too, as far as the colors go. It's going to dry clear though. And your napkin's going to bubble up a little bit. It's okay if it bubbles up. It's going to lay back down. I want to get past that because I want all these little edges to lay down. I normally don't do this, but I don't need a whole lot. So I'm just going to put it on this brush and I can see where I have been. It's going to take just a little bit more. That is it. I'm just getting a layer of Mod Podge. And again, I just want to make sure it's on all the edges. And I'm pulling these towards the center. And I'm pulling this towards the center. So it's going to dry clear. And it's not really going to show that it's even on there. You don't want to leave too much of a line. Let me put that aside. Give this a little bit of dry. And we're going to decorate that top just a little bit. This is probably what takes the longest of this whole project, is just drying everything. I don't have to get it dry all the way. I just want you to see. Let me just do the front. Let me just do one side. Now that leaf in the middle is upside down, but they're all going in different directions. So let's see. Where is my lid that I took off? Well, it's hiding. Of course it is. Everything hides when you do a live. I know, I took it off. Huh, I did. I took it off and I can't find it. That is pretty crazy. Is it under here? I can't find my lid. Oh my gosh. Okay. I took it off and set it aside so it wouldn't be in my way, right? Anyway, while I'm looking around for that, I'm going to finish this up. I'm just going to take some twine. I'm sure it's staring right at me, y'all. That's okay. I'm going to take some twine. And I think that's fatter than the twine I want. So let me get some thinner twine. Let me just open this container. I picked this up at the DollarTree too, and this is thinner. I like the way this looks. I'm looking around on the floor. Huh, that's pretty crazy. As soon as I cut this video off, y'all, I will find it. I know I will. But what I will do is take this, and I'm just going to put it right there, all the way down. And I'm just going to make a sweet little bow. I'm still looking for that thing. Oh, my goodness. Oh, well. The joys of YouTube, right? And you guys, if you love my channel, if you love all the shenanigans that go on my channel, hit subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. And that way, when I go live, you'll get the notifications. And maybe by then, I'll know where my top to this is. Oh, well. Okay, this is it. And when you put the dispenser top back on, that's what you have. It's just a sweet little spring or fall soap dispenser. And it's going to be washable when it dries because it has dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Okay, that is it for today. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. There it is. I found it. See how cute it is now with the dispenser in it. I knew I'd find it as soon as I cut that video off. Thanks for watching, you guys.